I've opened the Espresso machine. Revit has upgraded it to Revit 2020, and I've saved it as Revit 2020 file. I have opened as well a file with that's got some host surfaces, assuming we're done laying out this kitchen. Let's go to a 3D view here, and I did a little mock-up, right? And I'm showing a work plane. Okay, the work plane. In order to show a work plane, you go to Architecture, Show, Set. So I can set a work plane by picking a surface and then showing where that work plane is. I'm going to set it now to the countertop. Show. There it is. I'm going to go to my Espresso machine, load it into the project. You can see that it's now snapping to that surface. And you can take, it's a little big for this surface, right? I would probably take that counter and extend it. We'd have to do that in plan. Let's go to plan view. Just quickly mocked up this space. So I'm extending the looks like I moved the machine this way. Rotate it into place. Go to my 3D view again. I move the machine, not the counter. Oh, well, move both. There it is. Go to plan view. Move this into place. It's a little big for the counter, but you get the idea. Now your espresso machine's on the counter.